Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for November 2018 is as follows. Step 1. Glue images of friends, family or loved ones. Step 2. Cover your page with a wash or washes of colour. Step 3. Add paper shapes, either geometric or other. Step 4. Add secret journaling or messages of gratitude and love. Step 5. Draw inside a stencil. Step 6. Add a quote, phrase or suggested word. Step 7. Add highlights with white, either paint or pen. Step 8. Create borders from book or music text. Your colours for November are sand, burnt orange and earth. And your words for inspiration are window, hearth, home, peace and urban. And remember, this mission will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.